Hello dear students, I am Atul Mishra and today I am going to teach you how to write formal letters. So, welcome all of you in my class. First, I will tell you types of letter that is going to be asked in your exams and that are letter to the editor of a newspaper, and that is drawing the public's attention towards social or common issues. And second type of letter will be complaint letter, that is to report a lost or wallet, cycle, etc. complaint and neighbors, proof, facilities or tourist places. And the third one will be order placing letters, like ordering books, equipment or for schools. And fourth will be inquiry letters. And first we will discuss about topics for letter to the editors, and that is expressing your views about child labor. You can see around your there will be a lot of social evils like child labor, unemployment, crime against women, habits of smoking, problems arising due to increasing population, drug addiction, etc. And we write such kind of letter to editor to point out the rash drivings and other topics also, so that concerning official can listen you and your problems can be reached to such officials. And then the second topic is for complaint letters, like in such kind of letters you can write regarding some products that you have purchased, like defective mobiles, handset, camera, etc., regarding misbehavior of staff or salesmen, regarding problem faced in society like shortage of water, frequent power breakdown. There are many topics that you can write a letter, a complaint letter to concerned officials, so that they can understand that what you are facing, and that's why we write such kind of letters. And third is topic for order placing letters, and these topics are placing an order for school uniforms for dress store of school. Suppose that you are owner of a library, or you are owner of any sport shop, or you are just running any kind of business. You need some materials to sell and to maintain whatever you are just going to work. And for that you must have some things, and you can order by writing a placing order letter to concern owners of products, like you can write a letter for a book manager and other educational purpose, placing an order for sport items for your school team also, and for placing orders for some eatables for your birthday party or any other event. Suppose that just you want something to purchase, and you don't have proper store or shop in your local area, so you can write a letter to purchase their things in bulk. So we use such kind of letters for placing orders. And the fourth is topics for inquiry. Okay, the fourth point is topics for inquiry, and here we we can write letters to inquire about some welfare schemes launched by the government. If there is any kind of scheme that is launched by government, you can write a letter to ask the inquiry for that scheme, or writing to a tourism company to inquire about the details of some tour packages. So these were some topics that you can write. And now we will discuss about format of writing a formal letter. There is a strict format to follow with writing a formal letter, which explained below. As you know very well that each and every type of topic that you always write, that needs a particular topic in writing section. If you are using a proper writing format, that will make your topic or your answer suitable and good also. And first you need to learn how to write, what is the proper format of the topic. So we write a letter by writing or starting with sender's address. On the left side of the page we start uh, our letter from the left side of page, and first we write sender's address. You can write that in 2 or 3 lines also. And then address contact details, etc. Okay, and after that, after giving a one line, okay, if you are just going to write that address in two line, just give one line space and then write date. And or you are writing that address in three lines, just write date just after three lines that you have write of address without giving any lines of space. And then by giving one line of space, you need to write receiver's address. You can also write that receiver's address in two or three lines. And then uh, before previous years, that used to be that we used to write subject before salutation, but this year there is a change and update and by CBSE that you must write the subject after salutation. You can write also before that, but you need to write proper that, and you should write that after salutation. First write salutation, then by giving a one line space, you should write subject, and then you should start your letter, body of letter. You can start a letter to the editor by using lines that through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to express, I would like to uh, put my views, or I would like to snatch the officials, I would like to snatch the attention or draw the attention of concerned officials about my problem. With these lines, you can start your letter, and then after explaining your problem, you should use second paragraph. In that first paragraph, you can explain who you are and what is your problem. In second paragraph, you should tell its solution or advice that what should be in that matter. And the last paragraph must be conclude your letter by mentioning the conclusion or solution. Okay, and after that, by giving a one line space, there must be a complimentary clause, and at last you can say thank you, and yours faithfully, yours sincerely, like that, and at last send us name, signature, and designation if it is compulsory. Okay, so like that you can write a formal letter. This is just a formal format to write a formal letter. And here is the example of letters to the editor. Here the question is asking, write a letter to the editor of Times of India about the poor condition of roads in your locality. This causes frequent accident. You are Amit or Amita of 8 Connaught Place, Delhi. So here you have address and your name also. So you should start 8 Connaught Place, Delhi, 10th August 2019. First two lines are of sender's address, and third line is date. You can see here, and after that, while giving one line space, you should write the sender's address, sorry, receiver's address, the editor, the Times of India, New Delhi. As I've told you that you are going to write a letter to the editor. So first you write sender's address, then date, and then receiver's address. So the editor is your receiver of your letter. So and after the editor, the Times of India is the name of newspaper, and here at last New Delhi is the address of the Times of India's branch. And after giving one line of space, either you can write a salutation first, dear sir or ma'am, or you also can write subject, no matter, no problem at all. And then by writing subject and tell them about poor condition of roads, and then salutation, and start your letter by writing, I would like to draw your kind attention. You can start also with my lines that I have told you, that through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw your kind attention towards the poor conditions of roads in our locality. The roads are full of patch holes and are very congested. These patch holes get filled with water during the rainy season, causing them to become the breeding ground of mosquitoes. Every other day, some accident of the other takes place on the roads due to these potholes. One of these roads for the leads to a marketplace, and there is a lot of traffic also on this road. Sometimes people caught in a traffic jam during the peak hours. So here you explain your problem, that how such roads, uh, damaged roads, can be problematic for the people living around you, or colony members. And later, after telling your problem, you can write, so through this letter of mine I request to take immediate action to improve the condition of the road, so that no else places any problem in the future while moving on these roads. Please do the needful as early as possible. Thank you. So after that, just write complimentary close by saying thank you and your faithfully, etc. And here, in this way, you can complete your letter to the editor. And here is another example of uh, a letter, that is a complaint letter. Write a letter to Messrs. HMT Corporation, Chandigarh, complaining that the wristwatch you recently bought from them does not function properly, and ask for replacement. You are Deepak Gupta, 450 Sector 20, Chandigarh. Okay, in this question, just you bought a wristwatch recently and that watch is not working properly. So you are going to write a letter to the Messrs. Of HMT Corporation, so that you can resolve your problem regarding your wristwatch. So start, as I have told you, this is common, by writing sender's address 450 sector 20 Chandigarh. This is your own address, and after that date March 1 2018, and then receiver's address Messrs. HMT Corporation, okay, customer complaint division, Chandigarh. After giving one line space, write salutation, dear sir or ma'am, and then subject complaint regarding functioning of watch and its replacement. And then on February 27, 2018, I bought a Titan watch model number 2356 worth rupees 5500 from your store. As I have told you, you can write your letter in 2 or 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, explain who you are or why you are writing that letter. So in first paragraph, you wrote that you just bought a watch on February 27, 2018, and that Titan watch, you have also mentioned model number is not working, and the price was 5500, 5500. Okay, so and now it's time to tell also that some suggestion or what you really want from that measure. And unfortunately your product has not performed well. The watch doesn't work half the time despite several attempts at changing its battery. I am highly disappointed because such act of neglect is not expected from such a renowned store. So here you need to explain whatever you have done to solve or resolve your problem, that you reached that store just you recently from where you have purchased that watch, but no solution you got. That's why you are writing the company. And and then you should write, and at last, in third paragraph, you should also tell the owner of the company that you are waiting for the solution of your problem, and at last write your contact number. In case he needs, he can call you. And then just write your sincerely, etc., and your name. And then enclosure, you need to write enclosure. Means to say, enclosure is that thing that whatever you are just attaching documents, like first is receipt, second one is guarantee card. You need to also attach these things so that he can see when you have purchased that watch and what was that product's guarantee or warranty. So uh, this way you can complete your letter. I hope you have understood each and everything regarding letter writing. Okay, so enjoy, and wait for my another video. I will teach you that some more examples and submit some more questions. Have a good day, you all.